today's video, you are going to learn these beautiful blocks popularly known as pinwheels. They are starting blocks for a lot of quilting projects, which we are going to see in our subsequent videos. So let's get started. Start by cutting out these 4 pieces of 3 inches square, then another 4 pieces of a contrasting color. Fold the contrasting piece diagonally and then fold it again, but this time halfway as shown in the video. Arrange all the pieces like so, and then sew all the 4 pieces about 1/4 inch to keep them in place. Like so. After that, you can now join 2 pieces together, right side together, not as shown in the video, please. You finger press them and then you join the 2 pieces together, right sides as shown. After that, you can iron everything and you are almost done. And yeah, how do you see it? Beautiful, right? Then the second type or pattern or block, we'll be using two blocks of 3 by 3 inch black and 2 pieces of half square triangle, and the arrangement is as shown. Follow the same process as the first one, just the arrangement that differs, and that's all. And that's all. I think I like this one. It's fine. So the third type we'll be seeing, same process, only different is that these pieces are half square triangle, red and black, and that's all. And it's also beautiful, right? So the last block in this video of our pinwheel blocks is this type. Fold your square diagonally into half and then fold it again as shown in the video. See, it also turns out well. I think I like all of them. They are all fine in their own unique ways. So which one is your favorite? Please tell me in the comment section and I will be very happy. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your family and friends, and I will see you in the next video.